Have you ever seen a camera that looks so good it almost doesn't feel real? Well, get ready, because the Leica M11-P Safari Edition is here. And it's something truly special. This isn't just another limited edition release, it's a full-on combination of beautiful design and top-of-the-line performance. Leica has taken everything great about the M11-P and wrapped it in a rugged olive green body with those smooth vintage vibes. This camera is built for those who love the classic rangefinder feel but also want modern power under the hood. We're talking a 60-megapixel full-frame sensor, super fast processing, and even built-in storage, plus that iconic Leica design that feels just right in the hands. Whether you're a pro photographer or just someone who loves timeless gear, this camera is going to speak to you. And let's be real, when Leica drops a Safari Edition, it's more than just a paint job, it's a statement. So stick around, because we're diving into everything that makes this one of the most exciting cameras of 2025. We'll cover the specs, the build, the features, and why this might just be the most beautiful way to shoot your next masterpiece. And hey, don't forget to hit like and follow Factic for more camera drops and deep dives just like this. So let's start with what's inside, because the Leica M11-P Safari Edition is more than just good looks. It's powered by a full-frame 60-megapixel sensor that's designed to pull in all the detail you could ever need. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or street scenes, you'll see sharp lines, rich tones, and stunning textures. This camera uses the Maestro 3 image processor, which helps it process photos super fast, so there's barely any lag, and you can snap shots one after another without missing a beat. It also means better color science and cleaner results, especially when you're pushing the camera in tough lighting. Speaking of tough lighting, let's talk about ISO performance. This camera is rumored to have a native ISO that starts as low as 64 and goes all the way up to 50,000. That means you can shoot in the middle of the day or late at night and still get clean, sharp images. Plus, with 15 stops of dynamic range, you'll have no problem capturing scenes with a mix of bright highlights and deep shadows. Your images will look balanced and natural even in tricky conditions. Now let's talk about something rare. This camera has 256 gigabytes of built-in storage. Yes, you heard that right. So even if you leave your SD card at home, you'll still have plenty of space to shoot all day. This is huge for travel photographers or documentary shooters who don't want to carry too much gear. It also supports a single UHS 2 SD card for when you need even more space. The build quality is everything you'd expect from Leica. It has a full metal body made of magnesium with a brass top plate over time. That brass develops a patina, giving it a unique look based on how you use it. The olive green paint gives it that safari vibe, and it's paired with a grippy leatherette that feels great in the hand. It's not just stylish, it's also practical. Leica has made sure this camera can handle the elements. It's sealed against dust and moisture, so you can take it into the field without worrying about a bit of rain or dirt. This makes it great for outdoor shooters who want durability. Along with great performance on the back, you'll find a bright 3-inch screen with over 2.3 million dots covered in scratch-resistant sapphire glass. It's touch-sensitive and easy to navigate even in direct sunlight. This makes it simple to review your shots or change settings quickly, but the real magic is in the viewfinder. The Leica M11-P Safari Edition sticks to the classic optical rangefinder experience. Bright line frames show you exactly what you're shooting, and focusing feels natural and direct. If you've never used a rangefinder before, it might take a bit to get used to, but once you do, it's a pure and satisfying way to shoot. The Safari Edition also supports the Content Authenticity Standard. This is a new tech that proves your photos are real and haven't been tampered with. As AI-generated images become more common, this feature helps protect your work and prove your shots are genuine. The camera weighs around 640 grams with the battery installed, so it feels solid but not too heavy. You can carry it all day without strain, whether you're walking through city streets or hiking up a trail. This balance of size and weight makes it ideal for street and travel photography. Every part of the Leica M11-P Safari Edition is made with care. From the textured grip to the precision dials, you can feel the craftsmanship in every click and turn. It's one of those cameras that makes you want to go out and shoot just because it feels so good in your hands. So what do we think about the Leica M11-P Safari Edition? This camera is more than just a collector's item. It's a fully capable tool for serious photographers and a beautiful piece of design all in one. With its 60-megapixel sensor, powerful processor, built-in storage, and classic rangefinder experience. It delivers on both performance and style. This is the kind of camera that makes photography feel special again. It doesn't overload you with features you don't need. It keeps things simple, clean, and focused, plus with its strong build quality and weather sealing. It's ready to go wherever your next adventure takes you. And let's be honest, it looks amazing. The olive green finish, the brass top plate, the leather grip, it all comes together in a way that turns heads and sparks conversations. If you love gear that stands out but still performs like a pro tool, this is the camera for you. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Factic for more honest takes on the latest cameras and tech drops. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of the Safari Edition. Would you add it to your kit, or do you think it's more for collectors? Either way, we want to hear from you. See you in the next one.